Hey, welcome back to another video. Guess what we got going on? The Maxum floats now. See, we are in the water. Isn't that nice? So we had a few things when we put it in the water that were a problem. The sea strainer for the air conditioner was winterized. Somebody left the plug out. We were pouring water into the bilge. Of course, couldn't find the plug. Found a plug, put a plug in, fixed that problem. So let's fire up the air conditioner. We fire up the air conditioner, the pump don't run. So let's see what we can do to figure out how the pump runs. We're going to use this voltmeter. Let's go open up where the electric is and I'll show you that stuff. Alright, so under this sea strainer here is where the plug was for the air conditioner. There's our air conditioner pump. You can see the wire comes up, goes into this box right there, it goes into that box. So we're going to take the cover off that box and use our voltmeter, see if we're getting any energy to the pump. If we are, great. If we're not, then we got to trace that back. The pump gets voltage but doesn't run, then we got to take the pump out and mess with that. Alright, so we plugged our voltmeter in there. Got our meter here. Turned on our air conditioner. We get 120 volts here, but the pump don't spin, that pump down there. So I guess we'll have to take the pump out and see what we can do there. Alright, so we took the hose clamps loose, took the upper hose loose, took the lower hose loose. Verified water came out, but now we have the valve shut off. Because we're worried about this possibly seeping water, we're going to tie wrap it up here because the boat's in the water. So let us get that tucked and tie wrapped. You can see how I tucked it behind. Theoretically can't come out of there, but once again, tie wrap to the rescue. There you can see I tie wrapped that. That'll make it harder to come out. Plus the valve is off. Now to take this pump out, we're going to cut the wire up here. So to take this out, we cut the wire up here, and then we're going to feed it down through, take out the 4 screws holding in the pump, bring the pump out. Got no way to hold the camera, so basically you take them 4 screws out, boom. So let me try to take these screws loose here. A hard one to get. Alright, so got that. Now it's a matter of trying to get this line fed through. We got a pull tie down here we got to break loose. I don't know if you can see that, but we'll get that loose. We're back. I'm standing in the bilge of the boat. Today we got our new pump. Put our fittings on based on the old pump. Got a lot of wiring. Got to do some crimping connections. Got to put crimp connections on here. These are pre-stripped and ready to go. So we're going to do those. And then get this thing installed. So let's get this thing installed first, and then we'll work on the wires. I'll show you what we got. Let's go down in the bilge. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, so first thing to do is get this down here and get it lined up where it used to be. And let's get a couple of screws in there. Hold it. Alright, so now that that's in, got to get our pipes on. This hose can go on here like this. And you put the, always use 2 clamps when you can. Open that up just a little bit more. Remember before, this pipe came straight up and that pipe was wanting to kink, so we did this. We got a little more space now. And that's the other one. Okay. So there you go. That part's in. Now we got to tuck our wires through. I try to put it through here, see? So we're going to put behind this. You'll see that very well. I'll try to put this behind here. Leave a little slack in that. Behind the fuel lines here. You have to take this off. All right. Our inbound line, what we can do here is open the valve. See the water come out? All right. Put that up on there. Okay. And take the other one and bring it up. Put it the other way. All right, so when the valves are straight like that, they are on. We know we got water because we let a little flow out here. So our pump has water. Now we've got to take that box apart and do the wiring. I will cut these loose in here. Put my wire cutters down. This crimping tool just doesn't cut wires well. Get this piece out of here. Boom. All right. This piece here has to go through here now into this box. I'm going to pull it way out. I think we're going to pull it way out. All right. Okay, I need to clean these wires up a little. The thing is, we ain't got a lot of wire here, so we're going to make a double connection. We really don't like that idea, but we're going to do it. Let me get my parts out. I got some more of these. Oh, you just slide those on there like that. You come into your crimp tool. If you look at my crimp tool, it's got 2 gauge sizes, so you can use either one. And just put it in there like this, and use it like that. Give it a tug, make sure it's on good. Now, the reason for putting them on the cord first is I not got a lot of wire to work with on the other one. So if I break something, I need to make sure these are good first, all right? Because I could make this longer, easier, where the other one I can't. All right, now you strip these off. Always be careful. Don't let the little pieces go in your bilge. That's what jams your bilge pump and sinks your boat. So you can see we're not going to have a lot of guessing here because black to black, white to white, etc. Right? So just wind one of these up. Push it into the white. And then put my tool around it. With this, make sure you tug on all these, make sure they're good. Then we'll put them back in the box here. We'll have to get some tie wraps to tie up our lines. Start putting our box cover back on. Wires in the cover when you do this. Look at that water come out. Ain't that nice? Well, we got the air conditioner pump fixed now. So on to the next project. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. So there's the easy way to install your air conditioning water pump. That water cools your air conditioner so it don't overheat. Don't leave home without them. Catch you in the next video. We can go hook its power up and test her out.